Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and these are the emergency procedures for academic year 2021-2022. In the case of an evacuation, this would be in a circumstance where there is a fire or a hazardous material spill or a bomb threat. If we hear the alarm go off, we are quiet and we listen for the announcement. We don't move, we don't line up at the door, we don't yell or scream, but we listen for the announcement until we're given an instruction. If the instruction tells us that we need to evacuate the building, we're going to exit through the front door and go across the parking lot to the field in an orderly fashion. It's important that you stay with your teacher so that you can be accounted for and we can make sure that no one was hurt in the evacuation. Another circumstance where an emergency might occur would be if we are in a lockdown situation. That means that there might be an intruder in the building, and what will happen is there will be an announcement that we are in a lockdown situation. I will lock the doors to the classroom, we'll turn the lights off, and we'll cover the classroom window, and we will get in the corner of the room so we can't be seen from the door. If you are in the bathroom, you're supposed to remain in the bathroom. The bathrooms can be locked from the inside. Otherwise, you need to be in a classroom so that we can be safe together. And then lastly, in case of a tornado, because we do live in Tornado Alley, again, we'll hear the announcement and it will tell us that we have a tornado situation or even a drill, because we will be drilling all three of these situations. We evacuate to the hallway. The hallway is a tornado shelter. Your teachers will close the storm doors on either end of the hallway, and we will assume what's called the protective posture against the walls and the floor, where you're down on your knees and you cover your head, and then we wait for the all clear. And that's all for emergency procedures. If you have any questions, please ask one of your teachers. We'd be happy to help. And we will be drilling these through the year. Thank you.